Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix iPhone zoom in stock. So if your iPhone is zoom and you cannot exit a page without a zoom screen, then let me show you how to fix this. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do to fix iPhone zoomed in stock is you want to go to the iPhone screen, either on lock screen or on your home screen. Then use your three fingers and triple tap your iPhone screen. Then you should see this menu comes up. On the menu, you should see zoom out, choose region, resize lens, and you should also see choose filter and show controller. Now go ahead and click on zoom out. So first is use three fingers. Once you are zoomed in, use three fingers to triple tap and then choose zoom out. Now once your iPhone screen is zoomed out, the next one to do is go ahead and click on settings. Scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. And then click on zoom. Now go ahead and turn off zoom. Now your iPhone stocked in zoom will no longer be stocked again. And if you mistakenly triple tap your iPhone screen, you should see your iPhone is no longer going to be zoomed in. And that is it. So that is exactly how to fix iPhone screen stock in zoom. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.